MacBook isn't working so hot. Hey guys. What's up? So, some exciting news. I have a story. No, I don't. That's a lie. A few months ago, my family and I went to Los Angeles, California. It was so much fun. We had an absolute blast. Yeah, but it was great. It was so fun. And we loved it so much that we're freaking going back today. Well, actually, it's the day before we leave. We leave in less than 12 hours.
It's 11:38.
It's 11:38. Our flight is at 8. So, you do the math. So that's exciting. We're excited. I'm super excited. You guys are gonna come with us to San Fran and LA and Cali, baby. It's Cali, baby. It's freaking Cali, baby. We're going to Cali, baby. So get ready for some fun times, dude. So okay, I'll see you tomorrow, but it'll more so be like a few seconds for you. So see you then. Bye.
Using your mind, imagine my skin joined at